Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest video on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Well, I hope you've been enjoying these last few videos and learning something. Well, today I'm actually going to be teaching you how to take a little animal and adding some clothes to it, kind of using your creativity to it. It's like a little baby elephant. All right, so I got my pencil. How about you? You got that and the paper? I think we're ready to go. All right, let's begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed learning something a little bit different using your creativity, of course. And what I mean by that is taking an animal, standing him up, and putting clothes on him. So what you can actually do maybe this week or even tonight, take that same elephant and change the clothes that are actually on him. Or better yet, take the same pose and take a different animal on there with different clothes. Now that would be a fun challenge. Alright, so I want to say thanks for checking out this video, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. As always, I want to say a big thanks for checking this video out, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.